So today we have this Xdobo Star speaker. It's a pretty cool speaker, very solid audio performance for overall okay price. But the audio is, let's just say, alright, but not the greatest. And this also has to do, of course, with the budget also being spent on this laser and starlight show. And first I was a bit skeptical about it, but it does look pretty nicely in very dark rooms. So at daylight you don't have a lot of functionality on it, because then you don't really see the light that well. But in the dark it is alright. But yeah, thanks to this function, the sound quality is, yes to say, okay. For example, bass is pretty limited on the speaker. The overall mid, treble tones are fine. They are at least a bit under control. But really also the custom EQ, you can get a bass boost, but it is mostly just up a bass boost. But yeah, again, if you just care more about something cool with laser, light show, and really just have an okay with okay sound, then it's not really that bad of a speaker. So let's just go to the audio sample so you can see yourself how this thing really performs.
saw your eyes.